So we had some trouble, like I mentioned earlier. We had some trouble when we were in the channel, just outside of Falmouth Harbor. We'd been motoring the better part of 2 days in pretty heavy winds and weather and waves, and it had taken its toll on this boat, Halo Moon. A couple of things we had to get fixed that were small, but the main thing was this shackle broke on that first spreader, so just where the flags are. It should be another line leading up to the spreader above, and it became disconnected and wrapped around the mast just above the radar. So now we're just waiting for a rigger. It's July 19th today, so we're falling behind schedule, and we're going to be here until that gets fixed. We don't have an ETA yet, so we'll be waiting here, and then we'll see. In the meantime, it's pretty sweet, pretty nice place. This is one of many marinas in Falmouth. We came in last night in the dark, and we had to stop at a fuel dock to spend the night there, and then they moved us to this more permanent berth here. But apparently there's some really beautiful yachts around here, really nice ones, really pricey ones. And this old ship here, Spirit of Falmouth, a tall ship. There's lots of activity, very busy marina. This boat here, Mahjong, from Martha's Vineyard. Bunch of Americans on board. They just sailed across from Boston, I think. Well, not sure entirely, but in that general vicinity. And then they went to the Azores, and now they're here. Lucky guys. We'd like to get on board this ship, but we'll see.